I've been watching some of my videos and I've been noticing that I don't talk very clearly, so it's hard to pick up sometimes what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna try to be a little more clear in this video. Anyways, my start pieces are here, 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 and here, I think. Yeah. And if they're in this position, it's really hard to solve around this solved white piece. So what I'm gonna do actually for this specific scramble is reject the fact that I have one solved start edge, and I'm gonna solve these two relative to one another while solving this relative to all these two other pieces. And when I'm doing that, it's gonna preserve, not really preserve, but it's gonna kick this out right here. So I'm still gonna have this edge in a good spot. So to put it into action, what I'm gonna do is insert that and then put this relative to this like that, and then insert this like that. So that's what I meant by rejecting the fact that I had this correct in the first place. So I started by building around other white edges, right? So next I have this, and I also see this pair, so I'll keep in mind of that. So that's gonna be my first pair. And then next, I'm not really in a good spot, but my next pair will be in this one. And I'll take note of these edges that I have. And I think I noticed these next. So that's gonna be my next pair. And then this is gonna be my next pair. And lastly, I just need to search for that, and it's right there. So that will be my last pair. Next, the first thing I saw was this green yellow edge as well as this pair. So I think it's gonna be better to solve this pair first, just form it. So, and the reason is because if I do something like that, this pair is no longer in a good spot. So just do that first, and then do some block building to solve this entire pair. And then from here, I'm just gonna insert and then solve this like that. Next, here, what I used to do is bring this up like that, but I've been watching some of Aiden's videos, and I think even if I'm from this angle, it might be good to just do that, and it saves a lot of moves. So again, from here, just rotate and do that, and I think that's the best solution. Next, insert like that, and I'll do the lefty solution for that. And when I solve this pair from this angle, it will actually preserve this pair. So instead of doing that, I'll just form this pair right here, so it saves this pair. And next, I'm gonna do some block building with this pair as well as this edge right here, something like that. And I can just form this pair like that. And next thing I will do is, since I noticed this pair and I can bring this edge to the U layer really easily, I'll just do something like that to insert this pair first and then insert the edge later. Next thing I'll do is solve this and then sledge it in, and lastly solve this pair in the back. OLO and then PLO.